Yeah, our driver's here. This is the car that we're going in. We're getting a city tour of Agadir today. Just leaving our hotel. And this is our transportation for the day. Just heading to the marina. That's the first stop.
Yeah. Marina, Kasbah.
Kasbah.
Yes, then we go to the mosque, famous mosque.
Okay.
The Agadir is beautiful mosque. We will take there the pictures, and after we go to we will see the fabrication to the Argan.
So this is the rich part. All
Yes,
the rich
yes.
people.
Yes.
Emiratis buy apartment here.
Yeah. Emirates, Saudi Arabian, and also the rich Moroccan.
Okay.
They come in summer.
Ah, okay.
From Rabat, Casablanca to Ishmael.
We're just coming out of the marina, which is the rich part of Agadir.
Here a lot of restaurants, fish restaurants.
This is the fish restaurant.
Here is port there,
Okay,
big port.
That's the port area. Okay. I think we're going to get a fantastic view of Agadir going up there. Just heading up to the mountain.
Hello guys, good morning. We are at the Kasbah today at the castle wall. There is behind me, oh, and there's my dad. Today we are going to be exploring with our tour guide. Okay, stay tuned. Look at that view, guys. Right now we're walking around the castle. We've just been taking some pictures, looking at the view. Moroccan people are really friendly. I suggest you should definitely come to Morocco because it is definitely worth it, especially Agadir. Definitely come, guys.
Okay, we're at the top of the mountain at the fort, which is just behind me. You can see this is fairly new. The wall was constructed after the earthquake in 1968, which killed 15,000 people. This is the fort down here. That's the marina. These apartments here are all the rich part of Agadir. And the driver was telling us that 3-bedroom apartment here costs about $500,000. Wow. And this is all of Agadir, more or less. Panoramic view of Agadir. And our hotel is somewhere around here. I think that's it there, yeah. And this is all the Atlantic Ocean. A little bit of history about the port here. I'm just going up to the castle gate. I'm going to ask the guard about what the deal is with getting inside. But I've got my mum with me and she's in a wheelchair, so I don't think I can go in unless there is a wheelchair access. I'm just taking a little walk around this fort. beautiful. Third largest port in Morocco. I'm just walking around the fort. That breeze is appreciated. Distance you can see the Atlas Mountains. See, that's a different colour, so that's what was left from the old fort after the earthquake. They made all of this. It was completely destroyed. I'm just walking back down towards the car now. There's some boards here. I think they give you a little bit of history here. The tribes are praying namaz. You can get camel rides here. I think I'll give that one a miss today. This is the east side of the fort. So you can see they've preserved some of the old wall. Most of it was destroyed in the earthquake in 1968. So whatever they could have preserved, they've preserved that. Morocco has got a lot of French influence, especially Agadir. There is, I think, Morocco gained their independence in 1956 from the French. So the main language here is obviously Moroccan, and then it's French, and then English. Absolutely beautiful. I love history. I love historical places. And this is definitely a must visit if you're visiting Agadir. Right, we're gonna head back down. I think we're going to visit the mosque in Agadir now. Cable car that's coming down from the fort. You can either get the cable car up or back down.
Right side is the big camping.
This?
The caravans.
Okay, for camping, alright.
Yes, camping. Have a shower.
Right, okay.
Here next side, this is the station of the creek.
This is the telephonic
Yes.
station, okay.
If you want to take this, you come here.
Right, okay. Mosque of Agadir. MashaAllah. And the great Mosque of Agadir, which was opened by the king back in 1998. Yeah, it's on 2 levels. Yeah, it's a beautiful mosque. This is the Argan oil place.
So this is half.
This is no sugar?
Half. Yeah. You
The
want
same
half?
offer.
Yeah, yeah.
You ma'am?
We're getting some Moroccan tea. Came to the Argan oil place, which is one of the famous products of Agadir.
Hair and body and face. And we do make cooking argan oil, which is the one for cooking against cardiovascular diseases, heart problems, cholesterol, and diabetes as well. Okay? And over here in the TV, we have a quick video that shows to you how we do make argan oil.
We just had some dinner and now we're all just sitting, chilling with food babies. Don't really know what else to do, to be honest, can't move. Anyways, goodbye.